Hello everyone, welcome to ENbreezEN, the daily current affairs program by Team Enlight. In today's program, we'll be looking into four topics. The first one is Pendency of Cases, which was an editorial in today's The Hindu. The second one, with respect to Right of Persons with Disabilities Act, with respect to the recent Supreme Court stern reminder to the Centre to implement preservation and promotion. The third one is with respect to Drugs Controller General of India. And the fourth topic is with respect to Afghanistan. But the topic we'll be analyzing will be Central Asian countries. So, moving on to topic number one, which is pendency of cases. You might be knowing in recent times the Supreme Court has been asking the center to increase the number of judges post or to fill up the judges vacancies as soon as possible. One of the major reasons given by the judiciary is the high number of pending cases. The recent data shows nearly 449 lakh pending cases are present in India. Such a huge pending case scenario will definitely impact justice delivery in India. So some of the major issues associated is, compared to other countries, more than 40% of cases in India take more than 3 years to be decided. So this long duration means a long period where the so-called under trials stay in jails. And when we associate with the poor condition of jail, this is a severe violation of the fundamental rights of the prisoners. You need to understand nearly 70% of prisoners are under trials, and the major reason being lack of sufficient number of judges to hear the cases. So the case gets pending, longer duration to resolve the issue. So even in such a scenario, when the justice delivery is delayed, major impact is upon the poor. So the cost of justice delivery increases. Not only poor, in this angle, we need to consider the marginalized sections of the society like SC, ST, who more or less are not able to get equal rights with respect to judiciary as compared to others. So when we analyze the topic, we need to understand what can be done. This is a major topic. This can be asked in GS paper 2 under polity, GS paper 2 under governance, and even such scenario can be brought for in ethics, GS4 ethics. So in such scenario, way forward will go a long way in getting you more marks. So for resolving the pendency, the first major thing that can be done is to fill up the vacancy of judges at higher and lower judiciary. And in this case, we need to fix the accountability upon who need to fill up the vacancy. So for High Court judges, it is a concerned High Court Chief Justice, so he need to be held responsible. The concerned High Court Chief Justice need to fill the vacancy as and when it arises, so as to ensure that vacancy is not there. Second, we can utilize the technologies, various technologies. E-filing can be done, virtual hearing can be done. All this will go a long way in reducing the backlog of cases and improving the transparency in cases. So even for case listing, we hear various issues associated with case listing, like certain high profile cases are allotted to so and so judges. Some judges are not given some other, I mean, some high profile cases. So this can be avoided if e-filing is done, and automatically certain cases being allotted to certain judges. So more transparency will be present. We can even promote arbitration or alternate dispute redressal mechanism can be brought forward to address this issue. So this is the first topic, it's pending of cases. This topic need to be analyzed also with respect to jail reforms. Please look to jail reform topics too. Coming to the second topic, it's today's newspaper. We saw a news. Supreme Court asks center to give a clarification with regard to promotion for disabled. So we are looking to the topic Right of Persons with Disability Act 2016. This is an important topic. Already in prelims point of view, a question came with respect to the percentage of reservation given for educational institute. It's already asked, but this topic can be analyzed from mains point of view too. Under GS paper 2 social justice, this can be asked. So the key points associated is this new act was to ensure right to equality, life with dignity, and respect for a person's integrity, that is equally with other persons. So under the new act, the number of disabled list was increased from 7 to 21, which includes dwarfism, blood dyscrasias like sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, etc. Even includes acid attack victim. Now, under the new act, 4% reservation for job is provided in government sector, and 5% seats are reserved in higher education in government sector. For between the age group till 18 years of age, it is free and compulsory education being provided by the state. So that's why we provide 5% reservation in higher sector. And as per the act, we need to constitute a central and state advisory boards on disability. Now coming to the challenges associated or the negatives or major lacunae in the act, we need to remember there are nearly 2.21 percentage of the population are disabled, or nearly 2.68 crore population. So such huge number, the number of vacancies are less, so the proportion of reservation need to be improved. Or in a different angle, we can think of incorporating private sector into this arena. We need to remember not all jobs are fit for disabled. Certain jobs like in media, multimedia, etc., which can be easily handled by persons, means they are mostly held in private sector. So there are various sectors, service sector in private sector, whereby more job opportunities can be created. So private sector too need to be involved in this. They need to provide. So another major issue is even the 21 different disabled categories are being included, still more can be included, more persons are still outside that. So these are the major points associated with Right of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. Now moving forward to the third topic, it is Drugs Controller General of India. So this topic came in news as a result of the Drugs Controller General of India permitting import of drugs with residual shelf life less than 60%. Now, for prelims point of view, we'll be looking this topic. The topic will be Drugs Control General of India. This person or this entity has is responsible for granting license for medical products like blood products, and vaccine. So since the topic vaccine is under control of Drugs Controller General of India, we are giving special focus to this topic. So do remember, Drugs Controller General of India is responsible for granting license for vaccine. And this comes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and it's headquartered in New Delhi. And this Drugs Controller General of India is the head of Central Drug Standard Control Organization, and it is advised by the Drug Technical Advisory Board and Drug Consultative Committee. So do look into this topic, Drugs Controller General of India. Now coming to the fourth topic, it's a map, location-based topic. The news was Pakistan is exploring expansion of CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor to Afghanistan. So in this article, apart from Afghanistan and Pakistan, the they mentioned about Central Asian countries. So Afghanistan for a long period of time was considered to be a gateway to Central Asia. For India, Central Asia is important as a result of it being resource rich for oil, natural gas, uranium products. As a result, this is important for prelims and mains point of view. For prelims, location-based geography, please look into the map, get a better understanding of position of Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan, the five Central Asian countries. Repeating again, it is Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan. These are the first five Central Asian countries. Do look into the capitals of the five countries. This can be asked to be arranged, and do look into countries that have got border with Caspian Sea, countries that have got border with Afghanistan. So it means Central Asian countries having borders with Afghanistan. Do look into this part too. And all these five are part of former Soviet Union. So they have got a Soviet Union lineage too. So these are the four topics that we looked into today: pendency of cases, right of persons with disability act, Drugs Control General of India, and Central Asian countries. Hope to see you all again. This was all for today's session. Thank you.